Okay, so welcome to level 13, lecture number 2. Okay, so this is a continuation yung sa mga rules and derivatives. So this time, let's have the sum and difference rules. So for example, meron kayong equation na merong plus and minus operations. Okay, so madali lang ito gawin. So gagawin nyo lang, kukunin nyo lang yung individual values ng derivative ng bawat isang term. Okay, and then kukopihin nyo lang yung operation na involved, whether it's plus or minus. Okay, so for example, find the derivative of f of x equals 5x cubed plus 12x. Okay, so we'll do it in a step-by-step process. Okay, so step 1, kunin muna yung derivative ng first term. So yung first term natin is 5x cubed. Okay, so ano ba gagawin natin dito? So, yung natutunan natin from the last lecture. So, magiging 3 times 5, kaya dito naging 15. And then, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Ayan, kaya naging 15x squared. Now, step 2, kunin natin yung derivative ng second term. So, the second term here is 12x. Okay, so ano ulit yung shortcut natin? So, since ang exponent nito is 1, automatically, kukopihin lang natin yung constant and then i-disregard na natin yung variable para makuha natin yung derivative. So, therefore, the final answer is 15x squared plus 12. Okay, let's have another example. So, this time we have f of y equals 4y raised to 5 minus 10. Okay, so again, so step 1, kukunin muna natin yung derivative ng first term. So, the first term is 4y raised to 5. So, ito, 5 times 4, magiging 20. And then, 5 minus 1 equals 4. Kaya, naging 20y raised to 4. Now, step 2, kunin ang derivative ng second term. Ang second term natin dito is 10. So, remember that this one is a constant. So, ang derivative ng constant is equal to 0. Kaya yung final answer natin dito is f prime of y is equal to 20y raised to 4. Okay, another example. So, find the derivative of the following. So, you have a cubed plus 1 half a squared minus 17a. So, step 1, kunin ang derivative ng first term. So, first term natin is a cube. So, again, ibababa natin yung 3. Ayan, kaya dito naging 3. And then, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Kaya naging 3a squared. And then, kukunin natin ang derivative ng second term. So, the second term is 1 half a squared. Okay, so to get the derivative of that, so yung 2, i-multiply natin sa 1 half. So, makakancel yung 2. Kaya dito, a na lang siya. And then, yung 2 minus 1 equals 1. Kaya naging a. Kasi a raised to 1 is also equal to a. And then, step 3, kunin ang derivative ng third term. So, the third term is 17a. So, again, pwede tayong gumamit ng shortcut. Okay, so tatanggalin lang natin yung variable and then copyhin lang natin yung constant. So, therefore, the final answer is f prime of a is equal to 3a squared plus a minus 17. Okay, so that concludes lecture number 2 of level 13.